Welcome to SJCE Content. I am Dr. D. Shobha, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. In this video, I am going to discuss the application of air wedge. The first application is to determine the diameter of the thin wire. This is the experimental arrangement going to use to find out the diameter of thin wire. Here we have the air wedge setup in the bottom of the arrangement. OP is the one glass plate and OQ is the another glass plate. In between these two glass plates, a thin wire is introduced whose the diameter is D. The two glass plates are kept at an angle theta. In between these glass plates, air film is enclosed. Due to this air film, we will get the interference pattern. Here, the source S is used, that is a monochromatic source. The light from the source is rendered parallel by the lens. So we will get the parallel rays from the lens. These rays are reflected by the glass plate G, which is kept at a 45-degree inclined angle. So after reflection from the glass plate, the monochromatic light is incident on the air wedge at a normal position, that is perpendicularly incident on a air wedge setup, so that the lights are get partially reflected from the top of the air film, and another rays are refracted through the air film and get reflected back again by the bottom of the air film. So we will get two rays. These two rays will interfere on the field of view of the microscope. This microscope kept vertically above the inclined glass plate G. Using this microscope, we will see the interference pattern, that is fringe formed due to the air wedge setups. So we will get alternate bright and dark fringes from the interference pattern. So we will adjust the microscope to clear fringes from the interference pattern. Using this microscope, we are going to read the fringe with beta value. From the microscope reading, we are find out the fringe with beta of the interference pattern. This fringe width from the theory of air wedge, we will get lambda L divided by 2 into D. From this relation, D is the diameter of the specimen used. We will get diameter D equal to lambda L by 2 beta. Here lambda is the wavelength of source used. So lambda of the source, if you know the lambda value of the source, we can find out the diameter of the wire. Then L is the length, that is distance between the edge of contact and the specimen placed. Edge of contact and specimen. And beta is the fringe width. So by knowing these three values, lambda, L, beta, we will determine the thickness of the wire used. Then next application of air wedges. Test, second application, test for optical flatness. Optical flatness, if you given a glass plate, you have to going to check the flatness of the, that is the optical flatness of the glass plate. So we are going to use the air wedge setup. Here the glass plate going to be checked. We have to place it above the that is in the place of OQ, we have to place the glass plate which is going to be checked, and OP is the OP is the glass plate which is perfectly flat. Already we are going to take the perfectly flat glass plate in the bottom, and which glass plate is going to check, we have to place the above the flat glass plate. Using the interference pattern, we will find out the flatness of the surfaces of the glass plate. If the pattern we are getting fringe pattern getting from the experiment, we will consider as case 1, that is a straight fringe. If you get a straight fringe from the experiment, we can say the given glass plate is optically flat. Whereas case 2, that is if you get a straight fringe, we can say the given glass plate is optically flat. In case 2, we will get a curved fringe. Instead of straight fringe, we will get a curved fringe like this. That is concave or convex. If the curved fringe is formed towards the edge of contact, the curved portion is formed towards the edge of contact, we can say the given glass plate is concave. Otherwise, you will get a curved fringe away from the edge of contact. In this manner, we will say the given glass plate is convex. Using this fringe pattern, the optical flatness of the given glass plate is checked using the Airway setup. Thank you.